And welcome back. Well, there's another cool day across our viewing area. We got some kids out here enjoying Camper Park. This is around 1 o'clock this afternoon. Yeah, it was a great day to get outside and enjoy this cool weather. Even though we were near average, we'll still consider below average by a couple of degrees. 89 was this afternoon's high. Check out our low this morning, 63. So right near our record. Didn't break it here in Hattiesburg, but we were close, within 1 degree. And yeah, that's not right. It should be 62 degrees. Precipitation day, yeah, and then of course about 5.3 inches still above where we should be for this time of year. Forecasting lows for tonight. We're not going to come near our records. Still in the 60s though, mid 60s. Winds at the northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for your Friday, what we're watching again, if you recall yesterday, this stationary front was down to our south in the Gulf of Mexico and right across central Florida. It's slowly, and I mean slowly, creeping its way back to the northwest. And so this low humidity air, it's getting pushed back a little bit. We're having some moisture being brought back. Now, the majority of the day, this should stay to our south, but we still have a good chance, some afternoon pop-up showers as we do get some of that moisture being brought back up, especially as we go into the weekend. Highs for tomorrow, right near average. Winds out of the east-northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. And again, those showers would mostly hold off until the afternoon hours. And unfortunately, yeah, you're seeing it right here. That century mark once again makes a nasty return to our heat index values. So most of us will be right near 100 degrees, or at least feel like 100 degrees outside. And that's going to be kind of the same thing going into the weekend. We'll get a little bit of a cool down, but not by much. Check out our visible satellite. Again, we didn't really have any clouds across our viewing area today, maybe a few high clouds, and that's about it. High pressure still staying over a good portion of the United States. You can actually see it moving on off to the east. So you see this dip right here, and then it sharply turns back to the northeast. This is that kind of in-between zone right here, or as we call a saddle, where you have the eastern side of the high pressure, which is back here, and then you have the low pressure, the little trough right there. And so that's all being pushed on off to the east, and this boundary down to the south again is moving back to the northwest. So we're getting ready for that. Radar satellite though, we really haven't had to use this today, and most of the rain again has stayed well off the Gulf Coast. So we're liking that, but it's going to slowly, and again I meant slowly, march its way back to the north. We'll put it in motion for tonight. We'll remain clear tonight, so we're not having to worry about that. That's why temperatures are going to drop into the 60s. As we go into your Friday, it's slowly moving back. This one model particularly keeps it down to the south throughout the day on Friday and starts bringing it back a little bit more overnight Friday. Some models are hinting at it trying to move back to the north a little bit quicker. And so it'll be anywhere between tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, where we'll start to see some increasing showers. Still though, we do have dry air over us. You see the orange, we're liking that. That's why it really wasn't muggy outside today. It was a great day again to get outside. Low pressure sitting in the Gulf of Mexico right now. Not really talking about development into a tropical system, but what it is bringing again is some of that moisture. It's going to stay disorganized throughout this weekend, so we're not really having to worry about anything as far as tropical systems wise. We're just having to worry about the moisture and that little front moving on through. So your forecast is brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here you go, 92 degrees for your Friday. Then we're back in the 80s. I told you a slight cool down for Saturday and Sunday. Best chance for thunderstorms would be on Sunday. And we'll keep those chances going into next week as temperatures stay right near 90 degrees. Overall, we could expect 1 to 2 inches of rain across the viewing area.